By being an outside party, the golf course architect can help all of the staff. And the way that golf course architect helps most is to set expectations.
A golf course architect can serve as the point person where all the lightning, comes down the lightning rod.
You don't want a renovation project to be tied to the staff, because guess what? They got to go to work there every day.
I'm a firm believer you need a champion for a project, and that person can be the golf course architect. Usually it needs to be someone in the club. And the champion is going to help define the roles of the other people. And that'll be different for every club. Rarely do I see the superintendent be the, quote, champion of a project, because that individual has a golf course to take care of.
The architect is sort of the voice and the vision of the project. But that voice and vision is created through a group of people. The pro can kind of give you an idea of how the members play, what he hears when they come in the pro shop, what they like, what they don't like. The general manager, he's looking at it from the budget standpoint. How are we going to afford this? How can we generate the money to go through with the renovations? And the superintendent, obviously, from the maintenance side, those are the people that people listen to. They're at different spheres of influence, and they can go out and they can influence members and help garner support for whatever it is you're doing. Then you got to take the committee. If you're a superintendent, you don't want to get on the bad side of 2 or 3 guys on your greens committee because you made a decision that maybe isn't popular to them. And if you make that decision and you're a superintendent, you may find yourself looking for work. So if somebody stands up that's not in support of the project, you need to have other members that are ready to stand up right behind them and tell them, hey, this is why I support it and here's what I think. If you can do that, then you've got a good chance for success.